Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be sowing Agapanthus. I've got some of these I bought from the flower show at Harrogate called Queen Mum. White with a blue tinge, absolutely gorgeous. So right, let's get the soil sorted first. Fill your tray up, just leave a centimetre from the top, like so. Get your block of wood, just tamp it down so it's nice and level, like so. Spot on. Right, let's look at these. You sow these and they're a perennial, but they take between 1 and 3 months to germinate, and they need to be kept in a cold greenhouse the coming winter. Let's get in this one if we can. Come on. So, here we go. Right, let's see how many seeds. Must be 22. I don't think it looks like 22 to you. To me. To you. Right, here we go. Here we go, that looks a bit better. So, spread them out nice and evenly. Then they need covering with probably half a centimetre of compost. Make sure you get them all out. There you go. And in there, no, that's them all. So, cover with half a centimetre of compost, and then they need watering and keeping between, what's up here, between 60 and 65 Fahrenheit. Oh, we can read that. So, I'll give them a spray, like so, just damp it off at the top, then stand it in some water, and then you need to put your top lid on it and put it on a windowsill. So, any questions? Agapanthus headboard hybrids. Thank you very much. If you like it, just click subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.